Hello there and welcome to our next lesson. Let's get started. There is a pilot and his name is Wrona. Captain Wrona. So, who is there? A pilot. Okay. What is his name? What's his name? His name is Captain Wrona. All right. There is a pilot and his name is Captain Wrona. Is his name Captain Wrona? Yes. His name is Captain Wrona. Okay. Is his name Captain Żbik? No. His name isn't Captain Żbik. But his name is Captain Wrona, all right? Now, Captain Wrona flies his aeroplane, Boeing 767, from USA to Poland, all right? What does he do? What does Captain Wrona do? Well, Captain Wrona flies his aeroplane, Boeing 767, from USA, America, North America, to Poland. All right? What does Captain Wrona fly? What does he fly? Captain Wrona flies Boeing 767. Does Captain Wrona fly Boeing 767 or a helicopter? Boeing 767. Captain Wrona flies Boeing 767. Does Captain Wrona fly a helicopter? No, Captain Wrona doesn't fly a helicopter, but Captain Wrona flies Boeing 767. Does Captain Wrona fly Boeing 767 or 545? 767. Captain Wrona flies Boeing 767. Does Captain Wrona fly Boeing 545? No, Captain Wrona doesn't fly Boeing 545, but he flies Boeing 767. All right. Who flies Boeing 767? Who flies Boeing 767? Captain Wrona. Captain Wrona flies Boeing 767. What does Captain Wrona fly? What does Captain Wrona fly? Boeing 767. Captain Wrona flies Boeing 767. All right. Does Captain Wrona fly his aeroplane from USA to Poland? Yes. Captain Wrona flies his aeroplane from USA to Poland. All right? Okay. So, Captain Wrona flies his aeroplane from USA to where? To Poland, all right? Captain Wrona flies his aeroplane from USA to Poland, all right? Captain Wrona flies his aeroplane from where? From USA. Captain Wrona flies his aeroplane from USA, okay? Now, so where does Captain Wrona fly his aeroplane to? Where does Captain Wrona fly his aeroplane to? To Poland, of course. Captain Wrona flies his aeroplane to Poland, okay? Where does Captain Wrona fly his aeroplane from? Where does Captain Wrona fly his aeroplane from? From USA. That's right. Captain Wrona flies his aeroplane from USA. All right. So, what does Captain Wrona do? Tell me again. What does he do? Captain Wrona flies his aeroplane. But there is a problem with the plane. What is there? A problem with the plane. Is there a problem with Captain Wrona? No, not with Captain Wrona. The problem isn't with Captain Wrona. The problem is with the plane of Captain Wrona, okay? The problem is with the aeroplane. What is the problem? Well, the problem is the wheel does not work. What does not work? The wheel. The wheel does not work. The wheel does not want to come out. The wheel does not want to come out or come in. Come out. The wheel does not want to come out. Okay? In fact, all three wheels do not want to come out. How many wheels do not want to come out? 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 under the nose and 2 under the wings. How many under the nose? How many under the nose? 1. 1 wheel under the nose. How many under the wings? How many under the wings? 2. 2 under the wings. Captain Wrona tries to get the wheels out, but the wheels do not come out. Okay? What does Captain Wrona do? Captain Wrona tries to get the wheels out, but the wheels do not come out. So Captain Wrona lands his Boeing 767 on the belly. What does Captain Wrona do? Well, Captain Wrona lands his Boeing 767 on the belly. Does Captain Wrona land his Boeing 767 on the belly or on the back? On the belly. Captain Wrona lands his Boeing 767 on the belly. Does Captain Wrona land his Boeing 767 on the back? No, he doesn't. Captain Wrona doesn't land his Boeing 767 on the back. Captain Wrona lands his Boeing 767 on the belly. Captain Wrona lands his Boeing 767 on the belly. All right. So how does the story of Captain Wrona end? How does it end? Is it a happy end story or a tragic story? A happy end story. Captain Wrona lands his Boeing 767 successfully. And everybody is happy and safe. And that is the end of our mini story. I hope you liked it. I'll see you later and bye bye.
Słuchaliście Państwo materiału ze strony www.łatwyangielski.pl. Dziękuję.